Good morning, this is Steve Harwood from the Department of Innovation and Learner Engagement, and today we're going over how to extend your computer screen to your projector so that it accesses two different video sources. To do that, we're going to go ahead and go to your desktop on your computer, right-click anywhere in the open space, and click on Display Settings. If you scroll down, you'll see an option that says Multiple Displays. Click on the drop-down box and then click on Extend Displays. Make sure you hit Keep Changes or else it's going to change back. So now I can share whatever I want to with my kids in my class and my kids on my Google Meet at the same time. So now you can take a Jamboard that's currently on your computer, and as you can see, it's not up on the projector. You can just drag it over there. And again, it's as easy as dragging it directly to the right on your screen. So if I wanted to have my Google Meet open on this window, I can have my students in the class. I can present the tab like I normally would. And I can still see my students here, and we can still interact up here. So if I wanted to write something on my Jamboard, or erase something or anything of that nature, I can do that here while still monitoring my class in this window.